One of the best skills in life is how to learn to be organized. At the beginning of the semester, this can be a stressful thing, as you're starting out with all this new information, new professors, and new classes, and new learning to be done. If you can start off your semester organized and prepared, that will help guide you to a successful semester. Here are some tips for the beginning of the school year that will help you stay organized throughout your semester. The very first thing you're going to want to do is make sure you have your supplies. First, grab a folder, a notebook, and a highlighter. I like to make sure all my supplies match with the same color for the same class. Then print out all your syllabi. Once you have everything you need, grab your syllabi and your planner. In your planner, write down the due date of every single assignment for the entire semester so you can see it at a glance. Make your weekly to-do list, as in what is due by the end of this week. That is a priority. On the side of your planner, make your priority list, ranking from Monday's priorities to Friday's. You can even split when you're going to work on an assignment in half. For instance, start half of it Thursday, finish the other half Friday. By implementing these organizational skills, you will have a better idea of what your entire semester will look like as a whole, and then broken down per month, per week, and then you can break it down per what is my priority per day. This way, you will not get overwhelmed when looking at everything in a bigger stance, but thinking, okay, let me take this one little step at a time.